Welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to go and change the layout here to blank, and also move on to the design tab. So on the design tab at the right side of your screen, you can find the slide size here. So you click on it and customize it. So we change the widescreen to A4. So leave it the landscape and click on OK and click on maximize. Alright, so the next thing again that we will go again to is to go to the insert tab and move on to the shapes. We are going to insert some couple of shapes. So I'm going to insert this shape first. So I can rotate it this way. Alright, so I would like to remove the outline, give it no outline. In the shape field, that's the color. We'll choose this color. Alright, again, so there's one thing that you have to also observe about this thing. We don't want here to be pointed, so I would like to edit the points there. So since I selected the shape this way, I have to just go and click on the edit shape. So edit the points. So you see the points has appeared. So I'll just click this one, hold, and drag inside here. So I can do it perfectly like this. Alright, so I think this way is okay. Alright, so this way is okay. Alright, so I would just like to place this one here. So again, I'll go back to the insert tab again, and I'm going to locate the shapes again, and I'm going to insert a rectangle shape. So this time around, I'm just going to draw it this way. So I can easily place it at the top this way. That one also, I'll give it no outline, and the shape field, I'll give it this color. Alright, so let me place it here. Alright, leaving it this way for now. So again, let's go back to the insert tab. We are going to insert a straight line. So which is here. I'm just going to draw a straight line from here to here. Alright, so I'll just right click on it and go to the format shape. So the properties of it has appeared on the right side of my screen. So the color here, I'm changing it to this color. So I'm just going to duplicate this one a couple of times. So I'll add 2 more. Last one. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. So, alright, so again, this line again, I'll duplicate this line to this side. I'll leave it this way. Alright, but this time around, I'm going to change the width of the line and also the color. So the width of it, I'm just going to change it to 2 instead of 0.5. I'm changing it to 2, and the color of it, I'll choose this color. Alright, so let me duplicate this one here. I can duplicate it here, rotate it this way. Alright, so I can do the same thing again, which is duplicate it at the bottom here. Alright, so again, let's take this one and move it to the top a little bit. Alright, so we can straighten this one to reach the inner part of it. Alright, so this one, let's reduce the size of it a little bit, and also the height a little bit. So we can easily bring it closer this way. Alright, so we can do the same thing applies to this one by reducing the size. Alright, so let me move this one a little bit. Let's again go back to the insert tab. So we are going to insert another shape. So which is this shape? I'm going to just click on that one and come and draw it here. Alright, so let's move the outline, give it no outline. And the shape field, choose this color. So this one also, the edges here, if we check the left side of it, the shape that you are seeing here, or the design that you are seeing at the left side of this shape, I want that the same design to also be at the right side of my shape. So again, I'll just have to go back to the edit points again. So that's the edit shape, and I'll click on the edit points. So I just have to come and click on this one and drag it this way. Alright, I think this way looks better. So again, if it's not well done, so I can again go back to the insert tab. I said the insert tab, the edit shape, go to the edit points. So I can again pull it back this way, like this. I think this way is okay now. So let me just place it to all, increase the width. Alright, so let's go back to the insert tab again. We are going to insert a 90 degrees triangle shape, so which is here. So I'll just draw it here. Let's rotate it. Alright, so let's give it outline of no outline, and the shape fill also, let's choose this color. I want to gently position it at the bottom. I'm using my arrow keys to move it. Alright, so again I'm going back there again. So this time around I want to insert another rectangle. So I can easily rotate it this way, give it no outline, and the shape fill also, I'll choose this color. So let me close it in a little bit. Alright, increase the height. Let me zoom it in to have a clear view of it. Alright, so I think this way is not bad. Alright, so I can duplicate it again here. Alright, so let's zoom out. Now, the next thing again that we like to do is not going to be inserting another shapes. Now we are going to insert a couple of text boxes. So I just have to go to the insert tab, locate my text box here, click on it, just come and click here to insert it. So the text that I'm going to insert in here is going to be Teacher of the Year. So I will select all of it, position it to the center, and I'm going to give it a font of what is it? This one. Sorry, not that one. It's this one. And the size I'll choose 28. The color I'll choose white. Alright, so I'll gently place it inside here. Alright, so I can easily duplicate this one here, select all of it and change the color to black, and the size, so I'll change it to 18. But the text, I'm going to change it to a different one, which is this certificate acknowledge that. Alright, so I think this is okay. I can easily position it well. Again, let's duplicate that one also. So the duplication, I'm pressing and holding the control key. So I'll just hold the control key and click and drag. So if I just select the shape, the text or the shape like this, I'll just press and hold the control key, use my left button to drag like this to duplicate. Alright. So I'm changing the text here to name and surname. Alright, so I'm changing the font to Edwardian script, and the size I'm choosing possibly 52, 54, and the color I'll choose this one on top. Okay, this one, give it bold. Let me increase the distance a little bit, the size. So I'll again take this one, duplicate it here, and I'm changing the text in there to has been awarded the prestigious title of So let me reduce the size to 16. Duplicate this one also here. So I'm going to change this text also. So let's make another duplication here also. So this one is going to also be a different one. So I'll also do the top performing teacher. So I'll select all of it. Give it a size of 28, and the color, we'll choose this one. Alright, so let me gently duplicate this one also here. I'm just trying to create a line between the name and the title here. Alright, so you can also gently position it well. Alright, so again, let's duplicate this one here. We are not going to insert the date. Alright, so it will be date. So I can select it all, give it bold. Let me close in this one a little bit. So I can duplicate this one here. This time around, this one is going to be a signature. Alright, so let me gently place it here. Take this one also, gently place it here. Alright, so let me again take this one. So let's change the width of it to 0.5, and the color we'll choose black. So I'll do the same thing here by duplicating it here. Alright, so I think this is not bad. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like us to do is to insert a medal. We are going to insert a medal here. Alright, so the medal that I'm going to insert, I already have it inside my device. So I simply have to go and click on the insert tab, click on the picture, because the medal is the picture. If you have to work off online, you have to go with online pictures, but I have it in my device, so which is here. I just have to click on it and click on OK to insert it. Alright, so you see it has been inserted. So I can only reduce the size here. Like this. Alright. So I would like to place some type or place some text inside in it. So the text I would like to place in there will be champion. It will be champion price. So I'll change this one to sentence keys. Alright, so this one I'll give it a different font, which is the Algerian, and the color I'll choose this one. Let me close it in. Alright, so I think that place also is done. So as you can see, everything is well fit and done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.